Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar non-finite verbs part 2. Dear students, already we have seen that non-finite verbs are of three types. First one is the infinitive, that is to plus verb. Second one gerund, that is verb plus ing. And third one past participle, that is verb plus en or d. Okay. So, we have already seen all the explanations. Now, we shall move on to the exercise. First one you see, identify the non-finites in the following sentences and underline them. Children love eating. Okay, that is non-finite. Love is the finite verb. Eating, that is non-finite. Okay, chocolates. First one you see, Roshan dreams of becoming an architect. So, dreams is the main verb, that is a finite verb, and becoming is the non-finite. Okay, second one, we must aim at fulfilling. So, we must aim. Must aim is verb, and what is it? Fulfilling is non-finite. Fulfilling Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's dream. To make is infinitive, to plus verb. India, the most developed country, that is, you know, non-finite, that is past participle. ED. Third one, taking the children to the museum is Seema's responsibility. So, taking, that comes as the, taking the children comes as the subject. Then you see fourth one, having finished the work, the manager decided to return home. Fifth one, traveling with her family. Tara enjoyed every minute. So, enjoyed is the finite verb and non-finite verb is traveling. Next exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct alternatives. They have given the alternatives. First one, having played on the flute, Krishna returned it. So, played means it is not correct, it's incorrect. So, having played on the flute, Krishna returned it. Second one you see, we wish she continues to be healthy, not being. Okay, to plus verb, that is to be healthy. Third one, the doctor advised him against wandering in the sun. Against wandering. And then next one, fourth one, I like drinking rasam. Fifth one, having used the scissors, I return it to her. Next one you see, tick the correct sentences. Okay. I had desired to eat a cake. Which is the correct sentence? I had decided to eat a cake. That is correct sentence. So, you have to put a tick mark. I had decided to have eaten cake is wrong. Second one, my son is fond of music. That means he likes music. Okay, fond of music. So, that is the right sentence, correct sentence. So, my son is fond to music means it's wrong. Third one, Shrina avoids eating fruits. So, this is the correct sentence. Okay, avoids eating fruits. So, Shrina avoids to eat fruit is wrong. Fourth one, bravery is not to pick a quarrel. Bravery is not picking a quarrel. Okay, so the second sentence is correct. Bravery is not picking a quarrel. To pick will not come. So, not picking a quarrel. Then last one you say it is easier to say than do. So, this is not correct. It is easier said than done, right? It is easier said than done. Moving on to the next exercise. Choose the correct verb form to complete the sentences. My son likes to watch. Option C. My son likes to watch cricket matches. Okay. Second one. Option C. Playing chess is my hobby. Third one you see. Driven. Option A. Driven out of the kingdom. The king hid himself in a forest. And fourth one you see. Walking is a good exercise. Option C. Fifth one. Geeta agreed. Agreed comes no, so to buy. Option C. Geeta agreed to buy me a computer. Sixth one, steam. Steam dash vegetables are healthy. So, steam cooked. Okay, what will come? Option A, steam cooked vegetables are healthy. 7th one, the guide showed us the entrance of the place. Entrance is the noun form. Okay, the guide showed us the entrance of the place. 8th one, you see, I can't afford to buy a car. That is option C, I can't afford to buy a costly car. 9th one, I started crying too, but for a different reason. So I started option B, crying. Then 10th one, you see, the society has nothing to do with entertainment. So option B, the society has nothing to do with entertainment. Just you can go through the answers. Next exercise, choose the correct verb form to complete the sentences. Nothing will make me change my mind. Option A, nothing will make me change my mind. And second one, I wish to read the novel again. So option C. Third one, my father got ready to pay a visit to my sister's house. So option B, got ready to pay. Fourth one, he wanted to send the letter by registered post tomorrow. So option A. Fifth one, you see, taking, option A, taking shower bath delights me a lot. Then sixth one, every Saturday we go shopping. So option C, every Saturday we go shopping. Seventh one, the small baby went on scribbling. So option B, the small baby went on scribbling on the paper. And you see, eighth one, he removed his hat to show his respect. So option B, he removed his hat to show his respect. Next you see, ninth one, planting trees. Planting the trees will save our earth. So option A. And 10th one, you see, would you mind opening the window? So option C. 11th one, you see, a kind teacher always makes us learn. So here it is bare infinitive. So it is option B. A kind teacher always makes us learn better. Now you see the 12th one, I enjoy reading. Option B, I enjoy reading Ponniyin Selvam. It's a very famous novel in Tamil. 13th one, I started laughing too. Option C, I started laughing too, but for a different reason. Option C. 14th one, we must treat our subordinates well. So option A. 15th one, I work hard to score. That is also option A. I work hard to score good marks in my exams. Next exercise, you see, choose the correct verb form to complete the sentences. First one, preaching. Okay, preaching is easy. So option B. Second one, practicing is very difficult. Option B. You can see third one, it is great dash others. It is great to help others. So option C. It is great to help others. Fourth one, my mother wants to meet you. Option C. My mother wants to meet you. Fifth one, the president asked us. The president asked us to cancel the program. Option C. Next you see, I would like to have That is also option C. I would like to have a cup of coffee. Seventh one, he spent hours repairing the bicycle. So seventh one is option B. Okay, he spent hours repairing the bicycle. Eighth one, I don't know what to do. So option C. I don't know what to do. Next one you see, he failed to warn me. Option A. He failed to warn me of the danger. And 10th one, it is too difficult to understand. That is option C. It is too difficult to understand this problem. 11th one you see, do you want to eat anything? So option B. Then 12th one, I am very sorry to tell you the truth. So that is option B. 13th one, it is better to avoid bad company. It's better to avoid bad company. Option B. Then 14th one, I don't like taking risk. That is option A. 15th one, he agreed to buy. That is option B. He agreed to buy me a computer. Dear students, hope you have understood all the exercises. Now just we shall see some illustrations. See, you can see the birds. Birds love to sing. Okay, so to sing, that is infinitive, to plus verb. Next you see the baby singing in the room is my child. So singing. You can see. Next one you see swimming. Swimming is a good exercise. So swimming is acting as the subject and it is the gerund also. And next you see make him stand. Okay, make him stand. So make him, not make him to stand, but make him stand. It is bare infinitive. Next you see, this is the last picture, a burnt child dreads fire. So this is burnt. Burn is verb and T is added to make it a participle, past participle. A burnt child dreads fire. So dear students, hope you have understood non-finite verbs, and with this I wind up the class. May God bless you. Thank you.